Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2011 Honda Pilot LX. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with keyless entry, power side mirrors, privacy glass, and much more. The 2011 Honda Pilot has plenty of family-friendly appeal with excellent crash safety scores and a roomy third row. This Pilot has 17-inch steel wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Pilot is in great condition. It has automatic multi-reflector halogen headlights along with daytime running lights, a heat-rejecting windshield, and a really nice grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Pilot has front-wheel drive and is equipped with a 21-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Pilot has only 80,819 miles on it. At the back of the Pilot, you can see the high-mount stoplight, the lift-up glass hatch, and the rear wiper, along with the tow package, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Pilot even has a very comfortable third row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own climate controls. They can use the fold down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well equipped with nice chrome and metallic interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Pilot is also equipped with door bins, ambient lighting, and a locking glove box. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the glass hatch release, the power door locks, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Pilot has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel cruise controls. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 compatible and you can easily connect devices using the aux port. This advanced system even has speed-sensitive volume. You also have large climate controls and everything that you see here is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.